Hey YouTube, I wanted to make a video about cleaning this CU50 Scotsman ice maker. I thought I would get clever here, take the top off. You can see these coils here where the freezing goes on. All this area was grunched up, so I took this off, scraped and cleaned around there. I took this part, some of these other ice curtain parts down inside there, and put some of this solution in this tub. Took the parts off I could, soaked them in there for a while, and they cleaned up pretty nice. Then I took some of this stuff and I poured it right in here. I poured about 4 ounces in there and went through the steps to turn it on cleaning. And then after that I was supposed to run it for about a half hour. And what happened, when I was cleaning this, I used a garden hose and I sprayed around in here. And underneath this is a control board, and some water got into that area. So you want to be careful if you're going to be spraying with a hose that nothing gets up into that control board area. Thankfully I dried it out and it's working now, but just a word of warning, if you're going to be using a hose or any other, splashing any water around, you want to make sure you don't get anything in that control board area. And then finally I put the rest of the fluid in this spray bottle and I sprayed around in here and let it set for a while and then scrubbed on it. The final step is probably to desanitize it. But I was very relieved that the control board started working again. So, hope this helps somebody. Bye.